Hello everyone, this question is derivative of square root. Here is 4 option. I find out right option. So let's start. Here is derivative of square root. So derivative of square root. Now I can say derivative of x to the power half. Because of that we know that square root is equal to x to the power half. Now derivative of power rules, we know that derivative of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Now if I compare this formula in this equation, this time I can say here is n equal to half. So now I can say here is n x to the power n minus 1. So here is n is half. This time I can say n, I mean half x to the power n minus 1. Now half x to the power half minus 1 is equal to minus half. Now I can say here is half, and now 1 over x to the power half. We know that a to the power minus n equal to 1 over a to the power n. I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say here is half and this is 1 over square root x. So I can say easily half times 1 over square root x equal to 2 square root x. This is the answer. So number D is a right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.